The mind of God. We can get a glimpse of the incredible mind of God simply by looking at his creation. Take one very small part, the mind of man. The brain is a soft lump of tissue weighing about 3 pounds. It is one of the most watery organs of the body, its outer tissue being 85% water. There is very little relationship between brain size and intelligence. Some very bright people have smaller brains than those who are less intelligent. The brain feels no pain because it has no pain receptors. It floats in fluid inside the skull, and the fluid derived from blood acts as a shock absorber. The brain stops growing in size at about age 15. I thought it was 25. Its surface is covered with folds. If it were laid out flat, the brain surface would cover 2 average student desks. The brain has 4 times as many nerve cells as there are people on Earth. With its 10 billion neurons, it can record 86 million bits of information each day of our lives. Supporting, protecting, and nourishing those 10 billion neurons are 100 billion glia cells, which make up half the mass of the brain. Since nerve cells can't reproduce, you have fewer of them as you get older. Persons of 70 or 80 may have only 75% of the nerve cells they were born with. Nerve impulses travel more quickly than cars do, with some up to 250 miles per hour. If all the nerves were laid end to end, they would stretch up almost 45 miles. If all the nerve cell connections, axons, and dendrites from a human brain were placed end to end, they would encircle the earth many times. The dendrites alone could stretch about 100,000 miles. Let's now look to the heavens. They define the exact shape of the closest major galaxy, a beautiful spiral named Andromeda, containing more than 300 billion stars. The nearest of these is an incredible 13 quintillion miles, or 2.2 million light years, beyond the Milky Way, a distance calculated by comparing the star's apparent brightness with a star of similar brightness and known distance from Earth, and beyond Andromeda lay billions of other galaxies. Solar System, Time Life Books. The incredible complexity of the human brain and the vastness of the heavens speak of the awesome power of the Creator's mind, and together declare the glory of God. Psalms 19:1.